So first off, we'll start off with going to the link which I give in the description, that is androidfilehost.com/?fid equals to 18997869409 blah blah blah. So let's copy this link and open Chrome or any browser of your choice and paste that link, and let's go to it. And you should be welcomed with this Android file host page which says download Pixel Experience ROM Mido 10 version 10. So let's click on this green button here, click here to start download. Now that should search for the mirrors and display the quickest one. So now I'm going to click on this green button, which is the primary download button here. So I'm just going to cancel that download there. Oops, I got 2 times. And let me open IDM. So let it go to the page where it asks, okay, here it goes, thanks for downloading. So right click and click here, click on copy link address and add URL and start download. So our Pixel Experience ROM for Redmi Note 4 has been downloaded. So now we can close this. Connect my Redmi Note 4 to my PC. Now go to this PC and get to Redmi Note 4, and in internal storage I'm gonna create a new folder and I'm going to give it a name, say Pixel Experience ROM for Mido. So let me type it in, Pixel Experience ROM. Now open that folder. Now go to the downloads folder where you have downloaded the ROM. Now paste that inside the Pixel Experience ROM folder of your internal storage. This is going to take a while. So the Pixel Experience ROM has been completely copied onto the device, and so now let us reboot our device into recovery mode, and first let us make sure to take a backup of the. So you can go into recovery by deep pressing on the power button and clicking on reboot, and then tap to reboot. And while it's rebooting, press on the upper volume button or volume up button. We continuously press that till you see the recovery screen. Here in this tutorial I'm going to use Orange Fox Recovery R10. And now you can release the volume up key. So now first we'll take up a backup, so go to backup tab and then new backup. So if you have space you can take backup of everything, but make sure that you have some free space on your device. Then swipe right to take the backup. It's going to take a while, maybe 10 to 15 minutes depending on your device speed, or it can even take more than that. And once taking up the recovery is done, click on back and go to wipe and then wipe every Dalvik cache, system data, or you can just, it's not mandatory, cache and vendor. So the first three and cache and vendor, and then swipe right. That is going to wipe our phone. So make sure you just take a backup of everything pre-hand. Once that's done, click on back. And now click on files and go to the folder in which we saved the Pixel Experience ROM, and then select the Pixel Experience ROM. Oops, I just went back. You just go there again, and then click on Pixel Experience ROM, then swipe right to install. Yeah, so now that should be installing Pixel Experience ROM for us. It's going to take some time depending on your device speed. And once that's done, now click on reboot system and wait for the system to boot up. And once the on-screen instructions come, you should be able to finish the setup, and once you finish the setup, we will be redirected to the Pixel launcher, and I'll meet you once I'm there. So now we'll go to settings, and let's open it again. Let's go down to about phone, and then let's go to where it says Android version, and as you can see here we have Android version 10. So if we double tap on that, depress on that, then we get this Android 10 logo coming up on our screen. And now for the thing to Easter egg to come up, we need to maneuver the 1 to make sure that it looks like Q, and then if you depress on that, you get a nanogram puzzle like this. So you can play with that around for some time. So that is Android Q, friends. You have installed it successfully on a Redmi Note 4. Hope you like my project. Please click on the like button if you like the project. Please give your comments in the comments box below, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.